المس مش هنا يا داي.
Okay. So guys, let's start with the worksheet as we agreed at the beginning of the session. We have the names on the right. I hope everyone will have his or her chance. So let's start with the first question. It's Tanahi's turn. Tanahi, would you like to answer the first question?
Yes. What
Yes.
is vibration? How loud a sound is, how back and forth the movement of matter, how high or low a sound is. B. How back and forth the movement of matter.
Yes, well done. The back and forth movement of matter. Thank you so much, Tanahi. Thank you so much for this. Okay, we have then Nurhan. Do we have Nurhan today? We don't have Nurhan. Okay, we'll have Reem. Do we have Reem with us today? No. Okay. See, some names will skip their turn. We don't have Zain. Okay. So guys, let me take names first so we'll know who's here and who's not. Okay. So let's take names first.
We don't ask every time.
Yes, so we'll not ask for their names for a long time. Salim is not here. Hamid is not here. Aysel, yes, Aysel. That's your turn. Number 2.
What causes an echo?
I want you to guess this question. Just guess the answer first, and then I will tell you guys something.
Sound wave bouncing of large hard surface. Sound
Yes.
wave bouncing off carpet. You repeating yourself. A.
What? A. Yes, well done. Thank you so much. Yes. So guys, if we try to check the textbook here, talking about echoes, echo is a repeated sound. You all know that, right? When you still hear yourself in multiple times. Do you know what's an
Like
echo?
you're on a mountain
Yes.
and then say something, gonna repeat.
Yes, like repeating your voice. You can hear your voice being repeated, especially if you are in places like between mountains, or if you are in an big empty room, you will start to hear your echo.
It's like tunnels.
And tunnels, yes, well done, yes. So what's an echo?
Miss,
It's like
also if you are in a place that nobody is in
around.
it, or yes, it is nobody. Like if you are like if you are between mountains, it can like your voice like you can hear it.
Repeats, yes.
Echo.
So that's what we call echo, yes. So what's an
صدى.
echo?
صدى
Yes.
صوت.
Yes, صدى صوت. Well done. Yes. So it happens because the sound energy hits the hard substance and then is bounced off. Like if it's hitting it right there. Just let me use this one. So as if the sound waves, here is the sound waves hitting hard objects, and then they will bounce back. Here are bouncing
Yes,
back.
because Miss, I know why. Because like if we don't have just like rock, the voice will not like make.
Yes,
Like
because
repeat it.
because these hard substances do not absorb the sound energy, not like soft ones. If we are in around a soft place, like we're having, for example, a bed, a sofa, things that are soft that will allow the sound to move through them, we can say that they will absorb sound energy. In this case, we'll not be hearing echoes. But if we are in a place where there is hard surfaces around us, really hard, that they will not be able to absorb sound energy, in this case, the sound will bounce off and cause echo. Okay? Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Yes. You know that sound moves in all directions? It doesn't move in a certain direction. I mean, you can hear me in any direction. Not like
Yes.
light. Light, for example, moves in
Miss
any...
Noha, I can't hear you.
Yes?
Miss Noha, I can't hear.
Guys, everyone, can you hear me well?
Yes, Miss.
I think Amit's
Miss, I will leave the meeting and join again, okay?
Okay, okay.
Add me.
Okay, I will admit you. Okay, guys, so back to the sound. As the sound hits a hard surface, as we said, it will be bounced back and it's not absorbed. In this case, it's called echo. So what's an echo again? It's a sound that bounces off a surface. This is what we call an echo, okay? Then you guys learned about the energy transferred, how energy or sound energy moves. We said it moves through the particles, and it's kind of like particles give energy to the next particle and so on. Okay. Last thing is that animals and sound. This is a really nice fact for you guys to know. So here it says, of course, all of us can hear sounds in wide range. Like people, for example, can hear frequencies about 20,000 vibrations per second. That's a good amount. Okay, but sounds that are higher in frequencies, like they are higher than 20,000, we cannot hear them. But many animals can hear sounds that outside the range of human hearing, which means that we cannot hear. One of you guys were asking about the dog's whistle last time and how dogs can hear them, because again, dogs
Yes,
have a wide
Miss, I
range
know
of
two
hearing.
two things that cannot see. Like if they hear sounds, they can go like the bat. He cannot see like
Bats,
anything,
yes,
but
they,
if
they
he
don't,
hear
yes, they have
a
a weak
sound, he
sight.
can go.
Yes,
Yes, they
they
use
like
echo
scream
actually.
and the echo helped them move.
They use
It
echo,
will
yes,
with
that's right.
Arabic
They make
ذبذبات.
sounds and like their sound. If it make echo, I think that means it's empty in front of them.
Yes, that's
Like,
right.
Yes,
Yes. Okay. Now, for
it's
example,
Miss. It
dogs,
with
dogs,
Arabic
guys.
name ذبذبات.
Okay. For example, dogs can hear higher frequencies than people. They can hear up to 25,000 vibrations. These are dogs, okay? 25,000 vibrations per second, which is a great frequency, and it's bigger than what people can hear. Bats are better hearing than most other animals. They have the, like really good hearing ability, okay? And they use echo to find their prey. For example, if you guys looked closely at this picture, let me show it to you here. So you can see this bat is kind of, flying after kind of, I don't know, I think it's an insect. Okay, so how it can detect its place by echo. So the sound waves he is actually
The
sending
sound
will
go.
hit, yes, will hit the prey and then they will bounce back. And you see the red color? The red color is the representing the waves
The
that are
sound of
bouncing back. So in this case, he will know the direction, he will know the size of the prey actually, and he will know how fast is it so he can go and hunt it. So bats have better hearing than most other animals. They can hear sounds up to 100 vibrations. Okay, I mean humans can hear
like
up to
Miss.
20,000 only. Humans can hear up to
The bat is
20,000.
more like
Yes,
more
they have a better hearing
higher than the
ability.
dog.
Yes, yes, they
Huh?
are. They can hear higher than dogs. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, and they use the echoes in order to move in night, because when once the echoes are sent, they help the bats fly at night by giving it information about its surroundings. If it has a tree in front of him, or it has I don't know, like a wall
A
or
wall
something,
or
so it
anything.
helps. Yes, it helps him so much. Okay, and also helps him hunt. That's very important. Okay. So people, dogs, and bats have parts of their ears on the outside, because we have ears on the outside, right? You can see the ears of the bat. You can see the ears of the dog, your ears. But some animals don't have an outside part of their bodies, like here insects and snake. Can you see the ears of the snake?
no,
Yes, it doesn't have like an outer part, not like men, not like
Miss,
people,
the
dogs, and
people
bats.
can hear more, like they can hear well more than the bat, or no?
Bats are better. Bats can hear better. They can hear higher frequencies. Yeah, they can
like
hear sounds. They can hear
bats
sounds.
have bigger
Humans
ears.
can't.
Bats
Yes?
have bigger ears or better ears. Bigger or better.
Not bigger,
Better.
guys. They have better hearing. Better hearing. We're not talking about how big the ears are. I mean, if we're talking about how big ears are, I mean,
The
elephants
birds,
will be great in hearing.
the
But
birds too
bats
doesn't have ears.
bats have better hearing. Yes, it's up to the better hearing ability. So bats have a
The,
better hearing ability.
the bird doesn't have ears.
Ears
Not
too,
so
yeah.
how big the ear
So
is.
people, but they have like kind of holes, I think. They allow
Yes,
them
holes
to
in their
the sides of their heads, yes. So
their head.
people,
Yes,
dogs,
Yes,
and
besides
head
the,
of
bats,
their
of
head.
her,
yes, people,
their head.
dogs and bats have parts on their ears on the outside that of their bodies, okay? But this isn't true for all animals because snakes and
Yeah.
birds have no outside ear parts, as we mentioned. Grasshoppers, for example, grasshoppers. Do you know what they use in order to hear? They use their legs. Can you imagine that? Grasshoppers use
This
their
they hear
legs
from their
and they
leg.
pick up vibrations through structures near its hind legs, like their legs here. They get the vibrations, and
Just
that's
like
how they
they hear
detect
from their
sound.
leg.
You what?
When the
The
sound
grasshopper hear from his leg.
When grasshopper what? What was the question? Grasshoppers again pick up vibrations
Grasshopper
in several
like
ways. One of the ways is that they can actually pick up by
yes.
some kind of structure in their legs, picks up the vibrations in the air. Okay, and it also has these hair-like structures in their air. Let me zoom in their legs. Let me zoom in so I can show it to you better. Okay. Here you can see in its legs there is kind of like hair-like structures. Can you guys see them? Hair-like structure coming out from their legs. This also helps
What
them
is-
in
what is
sensing the vibration.
What even is that?
Miss, can you get the snake? The snake?
Yes, here's the snake. Yes, do you know how snakes get or sense the vibrations from the
their
ground?
tongue, miss, like
From
down
the
their
ground.
tongue.
From the
Yes, they
ground.
sense it from the ground. Yes.
some
Last
snakes
year,
lives under the ground.
okay, Habiba, you can rejoin. Yasin Sadat, you can't hear me? Yasin Sadat, can you hear me?
Miss,
No.
what is the lower jaw?
Guys, is there a problem for you to hear me?
Yes, Miss, we can hear you.
Miss, I can hear you.
Okay,
Miss,
so
I'll log
those
out
who
and
are
enter again.
facing
We can hear
those who
you.
are facing a problem in hearing me, guys, you can rejoin the meeting again. Maybe there's something wrong with the internet connection. Okay, so yes, snake uses their lower jaw. Can you guys see this lower jaw? Like the bottom mouth, like the bottom part of their mouth.
Yeah, we can see.
Yes, they use it to sense the vibrations from the ground. Yeah.
Nice.
Last year, I remember, I think it was Tanahi asking for why do snakes get their tongues out? Remember? I think it was Tanahi's question. It was a really nice question. It wasn't last
I
year.
know why.
It was one of the first terms, and I told him I will search for this
Mr.
information,
Breeze.
and then we kind of knew that snakes also use their tongues in order to kind
Miss,
of
and
breathe
also
and sense.
Esther
Snakes use their
here
tongues to
in
smell.
the line.
Yes,
He
they
was
use it to
saying
smell.
about also the whale and the
Whales,
snake,
yes, and
how
how
he gets their
they
bird.
get milk. Yes, that's right.
Yes.
Those are really nice questions. I do like these questions. Okay, so
Miss,
thank you,
snails,
Aysel, for your question. Yes, guys, any more
snails use
questions
their
before we
tongue.
move on?
Snails use their tongues to smell.
Snakes.
Snakes, yes, they doesn't have.
Yes, they use it to smell and sense the surrounding.
Miss, we
The
don't have
surrounding
time.
temperature.
I can't hear you. Yes, like temperature and stuff like that.
We don't have time, Miss. Like
Okay,
now,
guys, now
should
let's move on. Number 3. We will have Omar is not here, Ziad is not here, Abdurrahman Khalid is not here too.
Not here.
See
Sabine is not
your
here.
turn came. See your turn came.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Now it's number 3. Can you read the question, please?
Without matter, sound waves could not travel. True.
True, yes. Well done. Without matter, sounds can't move on. That's right. Sound needs matter to
The
move
sound vibrations
through.
move between
Yes,
through particles.
sound needs matter to move through. Without it, sound will not be able to move. Like in outer space, there is no air, for example, no matter for sound to move through, and that's why we can't hear all the explosions from the sun and stuff like that. Thank you so much, Tom. Sabine is not here. Yassine Al-Duwaini is here.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Yassine, would you like to answer number 4?
Yes.
Okay,
How high or low a sound seems?
themes, yes. What do we call this? How high or low a sound is? What do we call this? Pitch, patch, scream. Yes? It's going to be what?
Pitch.
Pitch, yes, the first one. Well done. So it's like how high or low, like how high the sound is, like squeaky sounds, or how deep is it? Like, when you mentioned
Miss?
before, like the man's sound when they are adults, like they have these deep sounds. Yes.
This is pitch or volume.
No, volume is how loud or soft the sound is. How loud the sound is. But how high or low here, not how loud. Like you can have a loud voice, but it's a deep one. Deep. Okay? So deep sound here means it's pitch, how high or low the sound is. Okay? But how
So
loud
low
or soft, it's the volume. Okay? Don't mix between them.
If it's
Okay.
low, it's deep.
Yes, like your sound here, you have a really deep sound.
Me?
Yes, you do. Yeah. Well, let me mention one of the examples for high sound. Do you guys know mamduh?
My
Mamduh
sound is not
is
high or
so
high.
high. Mamduh sound is so high. He has a really high pitch.
And me, Miss, and me also.
Well, kind of, not really much, but yes, kind of. Now we have Muhannad. Muhannad's next. Do we still have Muhannad?
Yes.
Yes, Muhannad. Can you read number 5?
Objects that does not vibrate cannot produce sound.
Well done. Thank you so much, Muhannad. Okay, now we have Habiba next. Habiba?
Yes, miss.
Yes, Habiba, number 6. Can you read it, please?
Yeah. What happens to the sound an object makes when the speed of vibration decreases?
Slows down. Yes. Do you think the volume will increase or its pitch rises or the pitch becomes lower?
Its pitch rises.
Well, when it moves really slow, will pitch rises? Are you sure? This vibration. Like if it's talking in a slow motion.
Its pitch will be lower. Slower.
Yes, it will be lower. Well done. The volume will not increase, okay? It will be lower pitch, like deep sound. Okay, number 7. We have Hannah Sultan is not here. Yassine is Sadat. It's your turn.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yassine. Number 7. Sound is
Sound
a
is a
form of
energy.
yes, energy. Well done. Thank you so much. Now we have Malak.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Malak. This question needs your hearing ability to be great. Okay. So if you are kind of like you listen to a lot of music, you will understand this question. So here it says, what pitch does a violin make? And take time to think. Okay. What do you think the violin makes? Is it high or low pitch? Like, does it have a deep or a high sound?
Hi.
A high sound or low? What do you guys think?
No, Miss, no.
Hi.
That's a lot of no's. That's a lot of no's. What's going on? Guys, this question actually depends on you. Do you think violin has like high or low pitch?
Yes, I think it has high pitch.
Okay, someone said high pitch. Other people, huh? What do you guys think?
Miss,
So Malak,
Miss, I think it's low pitch.
okay, Malak, you
Low.
said it's high or low?
Miss, it's low, no high.
Okay, so we have
Oh.
people
No,
saying
it's low.
yes.
Okay, are we gonna start a fight to
People,
find out the
yes,
answer?
people are just like having different answers. So some people said high, some people said low, but the violin is the smallest and highest pitched member of the string family.
I said
So it has a really high sound. Okay.
yes.
Yeah, so it's gonna be
Have like a
high.
thin sound.
I think Malak said high, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, well done.
I
Well
said
done,
high.
Malak. Well done, Malak. Okay, now we have Hana.
said high.
Halawa is not here. Uday, you're next.
It's
All day, you're
140
next.
Z.
Okay, miss, I am here.
Number 9.
This question
Sound traveled best through
Water,
air.
air, solids. What do you think?
The travels best.
Yes. Huh.
Um,
Think about the particles, okay? Particles.
yes. Air.
Nope. Nope.
So miss, I
Yes, I
need
know.
to think.
Look, Arday, I will give you the next question. I will give you the next question. But let me say
Shall I say?
something. It's gonna be
Solid?
solids. Why is
Solid
that?
because the particles are so near from each other.
Yes, that's right. Because particles are
Because
so
it's
near, يا عودي.
echo.
They don't have a lot of distance between them, the particles. So the air, I'm sorry, the sound will move through them way faster. So it's best through solids, then liquid, and then gases. Okay. But you would say, Miss, I can't hear my neighbors through walls, right? Yes, you can, because
Yes.
we have thick walls and the energy will be lost. And most of the times, the energy is not absorbed through walls. But still,
And
sound
because
moves
also something else.
way better. Sound moves way better in solids, and then liquids, and then gases. Okay?
Miss,
Okay.
and because also something else. He can't hear his neighbors.
Yes?
Because also something else.
What else?
Because his voice is so loud, he can't hear.
Maybe, yes. Our sounds are so big, yes. And because the objects in the room absorb all the sound energy too. I mean, imagine yourselves in your bedroom without any of the furniture, without anything in the room. And you have a big room with
Will make
only
echo.
walls. You will actually hear echo. Yes, that's right. And now you have everything around you. All
You
these
have a television, you have a mobile, you have couches.
mobile phones are not
You have a
absorbing
laptop.
sound, but like sofa, the bed, okay?
Headphone also. Headphone.
Okay, number 10, Oday, because we only have 3 minutes. Oday, number 10, please.
Sound moves in all directions.
All directions. Well done. Okay, Yasin Hisham, you're next. Yasin Hisham, you're next.
Yes, miss.
Yes. How high or low a sound is? What is this?
Um,
Yes, Yasin Hisham.
yes, miss.
It's okay. Is it volume or pitch?
Pitch.
Pitch, yes. Well done. Thank you so much. It's how high or low a sound is. Okay.
Miss,
Amgad is
what
not
the
here. Yusuf.
definition of volume?
Yes.
What's the definition of volume?
Volume is the loud, how loud the sound is. Or we can say how loud or soft the sound is. Like in number 13 here. Number 13, the loudness and or softness of a sound, this will be volume. Okay? The speed of the vibration is called frequency. Okay? Okay. So guys, unfortunately, we'll not be able to continue this. We still have like small questions. I mean, we
And
can
Yusuf
finish
is
them.
not here.
Okay, Shlok is not here. Esig, do we have Esig?
Yes.
Esig, you
Yes.
can answer number 14. Okay, it says, when Mr. Snayard, whatever his name is, yells his name in a cave, the sound reflects off the walls of the cave and travels back to his ears. What is this called? Is it refraction, pitch, echo?
Echo.
Echo, yes, well done. Okay, number 15. What does sound need in order to travel? We have Kinsey is not here. Kinsey?
Yes. No, Kinsey's
She's
here,
here, but she's not
mic is
using her
here.
mic. Yes, unfortunately, so we can't hear her. Okay,
Mustafa.
we can move to Tanahi again. Tanahi, what does sound need in order to travel? It needs,
Miss, I was the toilet.
okay,
What does sound need in order to travel? Matter.
matter, yes, well done. Vacuum is like no matter, it has no matter. Vacuum
No
is the
air.
opposite of matter.
Nothing.
True or false, sound travels faster in water than air? Guys,
Mine
you
is
can
not
answer, all of you. It's gonna be true. Yes,
Oh,
because we just said that sound travels faster in solids, the fastest
yes.
in solids, and then water or liquid, and then
Then
gas. Yes, so they can travel faster in water than air. Number 17, what unit is of measure is used to measure the loudness of a sound? Huh?
decibels.
Decibels. Yes, someone said decibels. Well done. Yes. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for today's session. Unfortunately, we have less than 1 minute. Try to prepare your questions tomorrow. We'll start revision. Okay?
Miss, look at my project, okay?
Okay, I will try to search the messages, Yam. If I didn't find it, I will send you a message. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, guys, for
Okay.
today's session. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
bye, Miss. Bye.
Bye.